In this video, I'll cover how to send a connection request from your Google Ads Manager account and how to accept that connection on your individual account. Follow along for a step-by-step walkthrough. So as the first step, you're going to log into your Google Ads Manager account. And this is the account that will oversee all the client or individual accounts that you manage. Once you're in, you're going to navigate to the Accounts tab here, and then you're going to look for this plus button and click it and click Link Existing Account. Here in this box right here, what you're going to paste is the client's Google Ads account ID. So for this example, I'm going to paste in the client account ID that's associated with my company. So paste it here like this in this format, and then you click Send Request. Sending, and the one account link request has been sent. All right, so the next part is accepting the connection on the client's account. This is what your client will do. They should receive an email with a link request, and then I'll show you how to access it directly in Google Ads. So next, as mentioned, you're going to log into the client's Google Ads account, or the client will, that you want to link to your manager account. What you're going to do is you're going to go over here to Admin and Access and Securities, go to Managers, and here you'll see under Link Request, the link request that we just sent. And now you're going to click Accept, and you can read through this, and we're going to grant access so that I can manage their account. And that's pretty much it. So before wrapping up, here are a few quick tips though. You want to verify the account IDs to avoid connection issues. Ensure you're logged into the correct accounts when sending and accepting requests. And if you do encounter any issues, you can consult the help section within your account dashboard. So thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below.